In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find dividends on eToro. If you've ever wondered where your dividend payments are recorded or you need a clean record for tracking and taxes, this walkthrough will make it simple and reliable. First, start by logging into your eToro account. Use a secure connection and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll be heading to the place where eToro keeps your official account records. From the main dashboard, go to Settings, then choose Account and select Account Statement. This is the official report that summarizes your activity over a period of time, and it's the most dependable way to see every dividend credit tied to your investments. Even if the interface changes slightly over time, the Account Statement section remains the go-to source for this information. Next, choose the date range you want the statement to cover. Think about the period when you expect dividends to have been paid, maybe the last quarter, year to date, or a custom range around known ex-dividend dates. If you're unsure, select a wider window so you don't miss anything. Remember that the statement will only include entries that fell within the dates you choose, so it's worth double-checking your time frame. When you're ready, click Create. eToro will compile the statement and prepare a downloadable file. Depending on your settings and the platform's current format, you'll typically receive a PDF or a spreadsheet-style file. Save it somewhere easy to find and open it. Inside the file, look for entries labeled dividends or similar terms such as cash dividend or dividend adjustment. These lines show each dividend payment you received, along with the instrument name, the payment date, and the amount credited in your account currency. In some cases, you may also see notes indicating withholding taxes or adjustments, especially if the position was a CFD or involved leverage. For straightforward unleveraged stock or ETF positions, the entry will usually appear as a standard dividend credit. If you don't see any dividend entries, it often comes down to the date range not covering the payment date, or the positions you held didn't pay dividends during that period. It can also happen if the position type wasn't eligible for a dividend credit. Expanding the time frame typically resolves most visibility issues. That's all there is to it. By using the account statement and reviewing the dividends lines, you'll have a clear time-stamped record of every dividend paid into your eToro account.